Hey everyone, welcome to Wells's channel. Today, I'll show how to link your Ubisoft account to Steam. Let's open Ubisoft Connect, which you can download from Ubisoft's site. So, open Chrome and search for Ubisoft Connect. Here it is. You can download it right away by clicking this button. Click this button. Once open, click Account Settings, then Other. Check Remind me to link account next time I launch a Steam game. There. Now restart Steam and Ubisoft Connect. Open Steam. Here. Wait for Steam to load. Now you can launch any game and the account will link to Steam. Done. That's all, folks. This was Wells. Like and subscribe to the channel. Have a great life. Good luck. Bye, everyone.